Warm welcome to Common Arts and Science College. My name is Dr. Priyadharshini, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Commerce CA. Today we have seen Linux. So what do you mean by Linux? Linux is an operating system. In operating system is a software that, that directly manages the system, hardware, and resources like CPU, memory, and storage. The operating systems is the application and hardware of the connected between all your softwares and physical resources to do work to do the work. Operating system is an interconnection interfaces between the computer user and the computer hardware. So and the controls of the executive all the kinds of the program. The operating system is a software. It will be a GNU General Public License. It will be open source of the operating system used to extensively the worldwide. Android OS is also based for the Linux kernel, so it is embedded system and automatic layer system. It's a wide range of the systems such as the server and then computer. So what do you mean by free and open sources? The free and open sources is the Linux, completely free of cost and expenses, never hindrance they are using their operating system. Linux is an operating system. It modifies their code, analyzes the code, and redistributions of their code. It's enhance the code done by anyone in the world providing the same license, and license also cost no charge. The GNU General Public License and the large open source of the project in worldwide. Extensively the feasible is incorporated itself the embedded like watches, digital equipments and supercomputing these services. No pre-requirements of the installing entire the Linux sites. So, lightweight of the infrastructure, it is the Linux consumes lesser storage spaces, installing for 4 GB to 8 GB disk space. The memory footprint is amount of the memory RAM of used by the software running with the text file, audio file, and then graphical format like this like format. So next one is the guide. It will be simply says as a graphical user interfaces. Linux works on using the command line interfaces that is converted using the like of graphical user interfaces. Did installing their packages. It's mostly having their guide Linux environment. So it is a disk environment to use this. So end-to-end encryption, the Linux allows to also use it to encrypt the end-to-end while accessing this data, the public key in the server. It will be storing in the public keys. All the data is stored password to the providing authentications to the user. Many securities and features are providing the file permission and seclusions and this etc. So about these five concepts, free and open sources, extremely flexible, lightweight infrastructure, then graphical user interfaces and end-to-end encryptions. This is the features of the Linux. It will be connected to the security portable, then open sources and shell multi-user and then multi-program. These are the features of this Linux. The portable environment is Linux works on any kind of this environment. Doesn't depends on the device. Does not depends on the device. High-ended to low-ended. The large number of the users can be similar simultaneously in any place, any time, and multiple devices. It will be support offer to work on multiple distribution enterprises supported by this Linux. Linux own repository of the software. It will be used to require packages. Shell command line interfaces known as a shell program. Linux command interpreter is also known as a shell. The interface between the kernel and the user execute the program known as command. Command line interfaces carry out the execute of this less space in memory and the more efficient. It takes a lesser time to distribute. Customize the keyword. The Linux is the all languages required to the keywords and performance. Why the languages is changed to keyword? User can also built in customize the layout of the keywords. Features of next frequent of the new updations it will be installed as per its need. Hierarchical file system and then multiple user and multiple programming in allows to run at the same time. Thank you.